An Amazon seller called Ulanzi decided to send me some products. So I said, hey, why not? Those products are a desk-mounted arm with an additional arm and also a little light. So let's take a look. So we have the two arms that come with the package and also a phone mount. Normal desk clamp, nothing too fancy here, counterclockwise to loosen and clockwise to tighten. And here on the additional arm, we have a specific clamping system just to attach to another arm. You cannot attach this to a desk, for example. As you can see here, the screw actually goes over and then you tighten it that way. But there's a little rubber pad that allows you to not have to tighten it that strongly in order for it to stay still. The phone mount has a cold shoe mount, which is a first for me, and then two 1/4" screws, and it's the typical spring-loaded phone holder. The ball heads on both arms are this type of ball head where with only one screw you can control the action of the ball, but also the base will rotate as well, as you can see here. In order to extend the main arm, you just need to unscrew those parts like this, so they're telescopic. Is that how you say it? You can see me mess up a little bit here, and then I have to screw it back on. There you go. This is me clamping the main arm to the desk. This is actually a tabletop from a standing desk that I will be reviewing very, very soon. Alright, so I tried just one configuration, but to be fair, you can place that second arm wherever you want. I put the phone holder up top, and I will put the light on the bottom, basically on the second arm, but I would mostly advise you to do the opposite, okay? You want your light to be higher and you want your camera to be at least eye level. So this is the light by Ulanzi called Cute Light, and it comes with so many accessories. It's pretty impressive, I must say. So from the accessories, you have a diffuser, what they call a blaster, which is a snoot, barn doors, and a honeycomb filter. This is the little carrying pouch that I really love. And this is the light, basically. It comes with this mounted diffuser, but you can take it off in order to expose the main LED. So it has a 1/4" thread at the bottom, it has the charging at the back, and then you have a button in order to turn it on. And you will see there's 4 little magnets on the face. That's how you will mount all the other accessories. It also comes with this 1/4" screw that I'm not gonna use, but it also has a cold shoe mount, which is interesting. Those are the, let's call them RGB, those are filters, those are color filters, and this is the barn door. Here on the right you can see the honeycomb filter, and then on the left there was the snoot. Little clamp for your pouch, and then the charger, well, the cable in order to charge, there's 2 of them, so in case you lose one you have a second one, knowing that this is not USB-C, this is not micro USB, it's its own type of charger, which is kind of a downside to me, but it's magnetized, so it's kind of cool, I guess. To me, it's not worth it. The top of the light also has a cold shoe mount, which is very important, meaning that you can slap this with the proper adapter. You can slap it on your DSLR or even the phone holder directly, actually. So this is one of the setups that you can do with it. The light on the right, the phone in the middle. Again, I'd suggest you swap it, but I don't know you, I don't know what you're filming with it. Maybe you need it that way. It's really, really good if you're doing tabletop stuff too, in order to have the arm be extended like that, so you will not have to see the main arm clamped to the table in the shot. Those are all the accessories. Okay, so I'm testing all the levels. There's 4 levels of brightness. It gets pretty bright. I guess it's like, it says about 400 lumens at a certain distance, which is a lot for a tiny light like that. It is supposed to be waterproof, but I haven't tested that. Here I'm testing the barn doors, for example, and you can see how you can control the light so it doesn't go anywhere that you don't want to. Very useful. Those are accessories that you would see on major production lights, basically, and they're just miniature here. This is a red filter, this is a green filter. I will mix 2 filters together. You'll see the red and the blue right here to give you a purple. There's also a white one that diffuses the light even more. You will see me add the rubber diffuser on top of it to see how diffused basically the light can really be. You do lose a little bit of light, but it's cool. Anyways, overall I think it's a great product. I was pretty impressed. I would love to thank Ulanzi for sending me those products. There will be some affiliate links in the description if you want to take a look. I'm not sure they're going to be affiliate, but yeah, subscribe to my tech channel if you want to see more, and I will see you guys next time. Go out there, make me proud, get a level, out.